here I am at the beautiful Land's End, and oh my god, the views. No, I've not even started this ride yet, but the views are just incredible. Like, look how beautiful this is. It is just stunning. And so we're here tonight because I've arrived today. It's Friday. We don't actually start the ride until tomorrow morning, but because we're going to be heading off, we don't want to be doing this. You can see the queues for pictures, so we don't want to be having to do that on the very first morning. So it's a little bit sneaky to come to the start point the night before, but gotta do what you gotta do. So the rest of the day that you'll see is going to be the actual first ride. So this is the night before, so I want to head back now, get some food, fill my tummy full of nice vegan grub, and then get an early night and set off on Deloitte's ride across Britain. So just around 1,000 miles to go. It's gonna be easy, right? It's 5:30 in the morning. No way! Oh my god, it's one of my favourite songs! Watch us break the mic, watch us break the mic, watch us break the mic. Psych! If you know me, you know how much I love this song. I'm just getting up to say it's raining. I'm so pumped now. We can get you grooving. This track's booming. It ain't no hype. Morning.
Okay, sit there. That's about you.
We're at the start of Deloitte Ride Across Britain. I'm here with Toby from Cold Dark North.
Hiya.
Just seeing how we're feeling at the start of the very first day.
Bit cold.
It's a bit chilly, but it's dry.
We're moving.
We're nearly setting off.
In about 45 minutes.
Yeah, probably about that. But it is good, very excited, a little bit nervous, and my Garmin wouldn't turn on, so I was a bit like, Garmin, do not do this to me today, of all days, but it's turned on, it's okay. Panic over, and just raring to go, really, just raring to go.
Right, ladies and gents, and we'll see you later tonight, okay?
Sorry, you're leaving me. I'm sorry.
1,000 miles to go.
Say hello to the comedy horn. There you go.
Go on, give us.
Wow.
So we are just at, I think we're about 70 miles. Everything's in miles. I'm so used to kilometres, I can't work it out. Maybe it's like 113k. So that's where we're at. I think we're doing about 165 today, so not actually that much left to do. But it's been good so far. Lots of nice country roads, loads of people, loads of cyclists. I think there's like 700 or 800 people doing it. So yeah, it's good. But I do want to mention, I was coming through like a little like foresty kind of area, and I just heard this car come past, and this guy shouts, "Katie!" So I was like, "Who's that? Who was that? Who was that?" And then this guy pulls up with his wife, and he goes, Kate, how are you getting on? How are you getting on? He's one of my subscribers. So James, it was lovely to meet you. But the funny thing was, I had just eaten, let me show you the remnants of it. Anyway, I can't, I think I've already thrown it away. It was a Trek bar with like the chocolate on, but because it's warm, it basically melted all in my pocket. And so I just basically just like crammed it in. But then I went over to the car to say hello to him. He's like, "Oh my god, I have to take a picture of you." I was like, "Why?" He's like, "Your face is covered in chocolate." I just think I just had chocolate all over my face. So that was very pleasant for him. So yeah, really enjoying it. I had like a bit of a lull earlier. I was like, "Oh my god, I'm a bit tired." Like I felt really sleepy. And so yeah, it's not very good for the first day, is it? I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm just going to ease into it. Steady into it, ride into it. So yeah. Tom! Sorry, I was miles away before. I was like, I've got to get some food.
Did you have a sausage sandwich?
No, I've just had a soy yogurt. Anyway, I'm going to go. Tom's here. I'm going to go and chat to him, and I'll see you later on the ride. Of all the riding I have done, first day of La Jog, look what has happened. That is what has happened. My hanger has snapped. I have brought a spare, and I thought actually it was in my bag at camp, but I am one lucky, well prepared girl. Yeah, it's alright, someone's coming, thank you.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
You broke off.
Yeah, I have my spare. But I've just got to fix it. So now I'm going to get my split link out because my chain has snapped, obviously. I've got a split link for that. I opened my bag and I was like, God, I don't think I've got the hanger. I think it's in my bag. So always keep the hanger on the bike, obviously, because you're going to need it when you're on the bike. You're not going to need it when you're back at the bloody camp. So luckily, thank God, I was like, I can't get the broom wagon on my first day. I will get to the finish. I have to get to the finish. So yeah, I'm going to do that now, I think. Let's take the back wheel off and see where we're at. I'm just helping you put the chain on. What's your name?
My name's Justin.
Justin, you are my hero.
I'm Justin from 2016.
No, you're Justin from 2018.
Well, I'm only doing 40 miles with Catherine today.
Oh, you're not doing the whole thing?
No.
Oh.
I came out to. I live just down the road, so I've come out to help a friend. I was going to push her dad around the last bit.
Wheeling. Test the gears.
Let's get it properly. There you go.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Yeah.
The other way. That's it.
Back going. That probably only took about 15 minutes, and we're back on the road. Thank God. Now.
Hang on, let me get my tools in the air.
Oh,
Then I'm not constantly trying to walk past you. Yeah, I'm a little bit Phil.
So I made it back, and now I'm with lovely mechanics. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave, lovely Dave. So he's sorting out my rear mech now, and they have a spare, so they're gonna fit it.
Here we go.
Get that beast off. It is I've kept the snap one just as a memento.
Right, yeah. Stick it on the mantelpiece.
Exactly.
Got to have some of that.
First day of running, that's what happens.
Yes. It's not too bad. Got a new one.
So this is the one that, well, that was the one that was on my bike. Look how bent that is. I'll tell you what, I am a lucky girl to have had that. Now they're putting on a new one of these.